If you're standing in front of your new smart panel, on the left hand side, just around to the back, you'll find that there's a plate here that needs to be removed for our new AM30 module to be inserted. So with a Phillips head screwdriver, please go ahead and remove the two screws. And the plate and screws can be discarded now as they're not required, but you can put them back into your box to hold on to if you wish. Now with our AM30 module, as you can see, it does slide in. The aerial goes to the top, face towards panel with the arrows pointing towards the panel, and just with your thumbs push it in till it goes clip. With thumb screws, just tighten them back in. And with the screwdriver, just firmly tighten them back up. Please don't over tighten. And your antenna aerial can come back out.